Hey guys, it's all of Aviation here. Today I have another video, Gemini Jets unboxing video of a new model I got. So I just took off the packing slip, as you can see in the corner down there. So I'm gonna take that away so to reveal my address. So I just undid the taping. So let's open this up. Let me move the camera a bit closer. All right, here we go. Alright, apparently, let me fold this flap back a second. Alright, so, here we go. So, it's from Diecast Jets. I got off eBay, actually. And, here's the price I got it for. So, here it is. World Airways MD-11, and if you look here, let me zoom in. 2000, from year 2000. It's 20 years old. So, yep, I got this model because I'm going to be building Willard Airport, KCMI, and we've gotten a charter of World MD-11. So got one of these. Let me just zoom in so you can see the box. This is one of the old boxes. So here's the plane. Here's the flap. We'll get to the flap later. So the boxes kind of look the same, actually, compared to like the new boxes. So alright, let's open this up. And actually, I haven't opened it yet, just to let you guys know. Let me zoom in here if I can get a better shot of it. Alright, there we go. So some of these old boxes have tape. No, this one doesn't. Okay, this one doesn't have tape. But oh god, this thing weighs a ton. Alright, so this one has a piece of foam. Most models have the so the front of the, okay, so here, the front of the model's in a bag. I guess it's protecting that front landing gear, I guess. Alright, take the bag off. Let's get rid of this stuff here and put the box. Let's zoom out. The camera, put the box back, and put the box back there. Alright, so let me zoom in. Alright, there we go. So far I can tell, no rolling landing gear, which the model's 20 years old, so I can see that. It's not really a big deal. Let's get an up close shot of it. So here's the model from an up close view. Now the model is 20 years old, so I just want to see what the difference is from today's models compared to 20-year-old Gemini Jets. So here's my other camera for the up-close shot views. This is the Canon HF200, HF Vixia 200. If you wonder what camera this is. It has the American flag at the top of the tail. And the engines do have the fan blade detail. And the engine in the back does not have any detail. If I can try to get a picture of that, it doesn't have detail. Just stop. So yeah, there's no detail in for that engine. So yep. Registration November 277 WA. Has the flaps detail. Again, the flap's at the bottom. The flap detail at the top. Then it has the silver detail on top of the wing. And World, if you guys didn't know, World Airlines they're out of business. They've been out of business for a long time. So, if these planes do exist, they're probably transferred over to Western and Global, I think is what the airline's called. They're a cargo airline, so I think World gave all their MD-11s for them for cargo. So, if you guys were wondering, yeah, they're not in business anymore. Look at the bottom of the model. It has the landing gear in the middle, Gemini Jets logo with the hole for the stand, and then the rear, like an opening. I don't know if MD-11s had an opening at the rear. Can you see that? Yeah, you can. So there's an opening at the back, I guess. So yeah, this model is actually it doesn't weigh that much. Let's get the scale and see how much it weighs. So here we go off the scale again. So let's put the model on. Let go. Weighs 5.6 ounces. So good amount, good weight for a model, I guess. So here's the inside flap, and this part's called More About Your Collectibles. So here we go. So aircraft type MD-11 ER, livery World, construction number 48743, line number 490, registration number N277WA, engines 3 Pratt & Whitney PW4462, rollout date 12th of August 1995, delivery date 18th of March 1996. So that's for that model. And then if you guys want to read that, you can. I'm gonna hold it. Pause the video there. Now specifications. For every 200 feet in length, it's 9 inches for the model. Wingspan for every 169 feet, 6 inches for 104. This is all for 1 to 400 scales. Height every 57 inches, 9 inches. You got the front of the box. If you want to look at this more, because it's one of these old boxes. If I compare it to a nowadays Gemini box, here's, for example, KLM. They've changed a lot over the years. Inside flap has changed. You just look at the comparison, it's a lot different. So yeah, the back, it says the same flap on the inside, real it gets. So that's about it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and left a like for me, because that would help out a lot. Also, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and turn on those notifications so you never miss out on my video. If you want to see a review on this aircraft, just comment down below saying I would like to see a review. And yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't already, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and comment down below. So yep, see you guys in the next video. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.